Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites quickly. An iPhone running iOS 14 or later and working Touch or Face ID. Once done, open Settings, go to Accessibility, tap Touch, then choose Back Tap. You choose whether double tap or triple tap will trigger the action. This matters because you might use one for screenshot and the other for a different shortcut. Make sure your phone case isn't too thick, since physical pressure affects detection, and then select Screenshot from the list of actions. Once you've selected Screenshot and Back Tap options, close Settings and perform the chosen tap, double or triple, on the back of your phone. You'll see the screen flash and a thumbnail appear if it worked. If it doesn't, try varying where you tap, center, upper, and lower back. The sensor reads impact differently. You can also swap to the other gesture if accidental triggers happen. Repeat until taps are reliable, then open Photos to confirm screenshots saved to recents. To finalize, test back tap across apps and lock states so you know when it works. If taps miss, restart the iPhone and check for iOS updates. Software fixes can restore sensitivity. Make sure the case isn't absorbing force. Test without it and switch to a thinner case if needed. If back tap still fails, assign Screenshot to a custom shortcut and trigger it via the back tap action as a workaround. One key tip: always retry after a restart before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.